Have you ever heard of the Monument Rocks in Kansas? Well, favorite this video and send it to a friend to learn more. Also known as the Chalk Pyramids, they're a striking series of chalk formations rising up to 70 feet above the plains in Gove County, Kansas. Okay, cool, but why do we care? These iconic landforms are geologically significant remnants of the Smoky Hill chalk member of the Niobrara Chalk Formation, deposited during the late Cretaceous period about 80 million years ago when the area was covered by the Western Interior Seaway. Monument rocks in the Niobrara Chalk were formed from oozy sediment, primarily the skeletal remains of microscopic marine organisms that settled onto the floor of the inland sea, eventually compacting into thick chalk, chalky limestone, and chalky shale layers. Eventually, they were exposed to the surface by erosion, and through further erosion, the thick chalk beds started to thin. The remnants at Monument Rocks, however, were spared when more resistant beds on top that had been cemented helped shield the softer chalk layers below. This is how we're able to see these isolated monuments millions of years later. The Smoky Hill member of the Niobrara chalk is composed primarily of olive gray, well-laminated to non-laminated impure chalk. It's mostly foraminiferal, pelmicreite, with packstone or wacky stone texture, which means some parts have lots of grains and some parts are mostly composed of mud. Scattered through the member are thick to very thin beds of lighter-colored bioturbated and granular chalk. The chalk beds at Monument Rocks and the surrounding Smoky Hill region are globally notable for Cretaceous marine fossils. Monument Rocks in the Greater Niobrara Chalk Formation are a significant formation that allowed geologists to recreate the ancient interior seaway that occupied the region for 34 million years. If you want to learn more, make sure to hit the plus.